How to use new passwords app on iOS 18. First of all, make sure that you have updated version of iOS 18. For that, simply launch your settings, go through the general and hit on software update and make sure that your system is up to date. Once you check that, go through the passwords application available in your device. From there, you will see all options. Simply tap on that. From here, you can see all of your applications, and whenever you tap on that, your password will be seen. In this very easy step, you can easily use all saved passwords on your Chrome. In this way, you can use password application on your iOS 18. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.